Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and I'm about to show you how to make instant, high-protein, vegan almond milk. It's so quick and easy, and as you know, almonds are great. They're a great source of vitamin E, copper, and your healthy fats, and they have good protein. And 1 tablespoon is only 98 calories, which is how much you need in a day and how much we're gonna use in our recipe. So we're just gonna put our ingredients in our blender here. A cup of water, a tablespoon of your favorite plant-based protein. Actually, I'll use 2 because I love plant-based protein. It's really great source and it's easy to digest. A tablespoon of almond butter. Oh yeah, why not make it heaping? Because the more almond butter, the more love. A teaspoon of maple syrup, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's it. That's your almond milk right there. No straining, no skin, no pulp, no mess. It's instant, it's fun, and now it's time for your blender boogie. Put the top on. So awesome, so quick, so easy, and it smells so great. Just gonna grab a nice little cup so you can see it here. Nice and creamy, and it smells so delicious. Look at that, it smells so good. Now time for the taste test. Oh my goodness, the cinnamon, the almond, it's just so nice and creamy. You don't have any mess to clean up. You just have to rinse out your blender. So this is my go-to recipe. And from this, I make so many things. Chia pudding, I can make overnight oats. There's unlimited possibilities. And it's so much better than going out to the store and spending a ton buying cartons and cartons of almond milk when all you need is some water and a couple more ingredients and you just made it high protein and it's 100% whole foods. I think you should try it out. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and let me know what other videos you'd like me to try out. But I'm looking forward to giving you more quick, easy, simple, high protein recipes. All right, till next time, get loved up. Cheers. This is so good. You want some?